Guys, let's play some games on this Commodore 64.
Good idea,
G-Major 326. Also, I have a new look.
Are you serious? I just turned it on and now it crashed?
Wait a second. Opening Barney Error. Exe? What does this mean?
It means that we will probably get a Barney Error.
Are you serious right now? Deal with an error.
Not this
Why did I get an
error?
error?
Why?
Does it look like I care? No.
Who cares? I will just turn it off.
Disgust!
No, please don't.
Don't.
What
have you done? Now we are having punishments.
What have I done?
You know exactly what you did.
Then
This is my
how
first time seeing a Barney
exactly?
error. So
Stop
turned it off. I
saying
know what
dot.
this means.
It's
That's
so
what does it mean? If I hear
annoying.
myself say
It means
dot
that
one
we
more
will have
time.
punishments.
No!
I'm
Not
not scared
the
of no
punishments!
Stop swearing right now!
You several times. Why is everything red?
G-Major 21.
Hey, G-Major 21.
Hey! I said no swearing! You need to calm down!
I will turn it off.
And your font is supposed to be Kristen ITC, not
No.
the CBB's
Not to
font.
Barney's.
No, I don't like it now.
Stop saying nine.
Stop saying no.
Why?
Oh no, my voice changed.
I said nudge.
Hey! G-Major 154 does not change voices! Not the extra punishment!
Why is Disgust not shocked?
Because she's extremely brave.
Now's not the time.
Sita is scared of Barney errors, and you aren't.
Real.
No, not the error punishment.
Why are you all screaming?
Not the mega
It's not that
punishment.
loud.
Why do I actually find these punishments scary?
Because you're brave, and you're not scared.
I agree with Windows NT 4.0.
Does anyone of you see Barney? Because I can barely see him.
He's too
Me
young.
three.
Me
six. And stop saying me numbers.
5 hours later.
See to cry. Shame on you.
Poor Elisita.
Stop crying!
Don't yell at her! She will keep crying more if you keep yelling!
Not the crash punishment!
Elisita, please don't cry. It's going to be okay. Why did you block the entire video with a key BB's ident? Now I can't see what's happening right now. Shame on you.
3
734.
Don't do this to me.
That's it. I am removing the power button in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
This is very interesting. Plus, you should go
Elisita, please stop crying.
Our Commodore 64 is dead.